Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill with your first Flavors of the Month kit for the year 2020. So your Flavors of the Month includes 4 collections including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You can subscribe and get it each and every month, or you can hop in and out and pick the months that you want to get the Flavors of the Month. Along with your kit, you'll receive 4 recipe cards, one for each one of the 4 collections. It'll be for a double-page layout designed by the design team. They will give you cutting and assembly instructions and a full-color photograph. You're also going to receive in your box a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up while you create with your collections. For January, we have a wide variety of themes. So our 4 collections this month is Snow Much Fun from Cartabella, Happy Cake Day from Pebbles, We Are Family from Photoplay Paper, and Hey Crafty Girl from Simple Stories. So you can see we have some winter, some birthday, some family, some everyday, and even a little bit of crafting. So we've got you covered for all kinds of photos and projects this month. We also offer add-on kits to go with your Flavors of the Month. So there's a cardstock, a pattern paper, and an embellishment add-on. And you can also check out our Shots of Life kit because it coordinates with our Flavors of the Month. So you'll have links at the end of this video to check out the other kits, and links down below where you can go to the shop, check out all of the kits available plus individual products that you can add on as well. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. Our first collection we're going to look at is Snow Much Fun from Cartabella. It is gorgeous. Just look at these soft, beautiful colors and the blues and the greens on that dark navy with just touches of the coral pink. So to start with, you're going to have 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your patterned paper is this one that has the berries and the snowflakes and the little ferns. The back is a diamond shape in the green. This paper is called Snowy Floral. Then we have the cute little words here with some little snowflakes drawn in between. So this is really cute. You could fussy cut these out for little word labels to use on your layouts. So you have plenty to take just a small strip up here and use as embellishments and still have plenty of paper left over to use in a layout as a big strip. The back is this dark navy blue, and there's a diamond shape made up of dots. It's a tone on tone. So this one is called Winter Words. Then we have this cut apart sheet. So these are always fun. You can use them to start your clusters, use them as your journaling. This is a winter fun list, so you could do a layout even if you didn't have photos, but you could also take several photos of things that you enjoy during the winter and then use this and list it out. Warm Wintry Wishes. This strip here is a border that says snow, 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 so you could use it as a border strip. You could also punch it out with a circle punch and use that in part of your title or as, you know, a subtitle in with there, so that's really cute. The Snuggle is Real. So I always love these. If you'll check out the phrases and the wording on here, it will give you some great ideas for layouts that you're going to do. You can also fussy cut some of these into images for your clusters and embellishment. The back is this plaid design, and this one is the 3x4 journaling card paper. So one more look here. So you can see that the B-sides are all really neutral, so you could scrapbook anything, but just beautiful colors in that blue and that green. For your embellishments, you're going to receive 1/4 a pack of the ephemera pieces, so they will vary among the kits, but there's some tags and little punch outs here, and little phrase. You'll also get a strip of enamel dots, so these will vary in the colors, but I got that minty green. So again, that is Snow Much Fun from Cartabella. Our next collection is Happy Cake Day from Pebbles. This is a great birthday collection. You can see that it does have some icons that lend itself for a kid's birthday, but it also could be used for adults and girl or boy. So it's really a great birthday collection. So to start with, you'll have 2 sheets of Arctic cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one that has the florals on the dark blue. This one's called Birthday Blossoms. So that's a good generic patterned paper that you could scrapbook anything. Same as the back. It's a polka dot. We have a full branding strip, so it says Happy Hooray. This one, called Party Hats, has the strips of party hats, so you could cut these in strips for border strips or use it in a larger piece. The back is another good general design that's just a diagonal stripe in the colors from this collection, and this border strip says yay. This one, called Hip Hip Hooray, has Hip Hip Hooray on the front of this and all of the rainbow colors on that blue. And the back is another general design that's these little half circles that kind of looks like banners. So super cute. And the border strip is the lighter blue with a white polka dot. So you can see, even if you didn't want to scrap birthdays, this is perfect collection to do just about anything with. So that is your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a 1/3 strip of the paper called Happy Birthday Tags. So these can be cut apart. You could use them as embellishments on your layout. They could also be used as tags on your gifts. So super cute. And the back is a pattern, so it's just a pink with like a flower design. You're going to get one of the puffy phrases. So I have this one that says Party Time in the yellow. And then you're going to receive a mixture of ephemera pieces from icons to phrases. So these will vary among the kits as well, but you're going to see some really cute little icons and perfect little phrases to make cards. So if you create your layout and have pieces left over, make up some birthday cards. You always need birthday cards. So that is Happy Cake Day from Pebbles. Our next collection is Forever Family from Photoplay Paper, and this is a beautiful vintage antique-y feel collection that's just gorgeous, perfect to scrapbook your family, heritage photos, just absolutely anything. It's just a beautiful color scheme here. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of bubbles cardstock. This paper called Forever, and it's this beautiful roses and babe's breath on this dark navy blue, and there's some little faint text running throughout the paper down here and then up here and in this corner. So just beautiful. The back is this beautiful, just reminds me of the really old wallpaper that you would see in a vintage home in the dark green. This one, called Family Rules, is this pretty turquoisey blue with some distressing with the tape, and it looks like a doily print. The back is the cut apart sheet, so there are 3x4 cut aparts, perfect to tuck in for your clusterings. There's also some of these that would be great for cards. You could fussy cut like the hoop here or this little piece to add as embellishments. So many things that you could do with those, and I like using them for titles and subtitles. Makes creating a layout really quick and easy. This paper is called Thankful, and it's a stripe, and again you'll see that antique little writing throughout the paper. And the back is another design that just really looks vintage on that dark navy blue. Just a beautiful print. So one more look at your patterned paper. Your embellishments is the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So you have some word labels and the different icons, and then there's some large words that you could use in your titles. Some of these icons are really small, which I like that, so that you have all the different sizes for your clusters. So that is We Are Family from Photoplay Paper. Our final collection is Hey Crafty Girl from Simple Stories. This is a really fun collection, perfect for all of us scrapbookers, but what's really nice about this is it actually covers other crafting besides just scrapbooking. So you'll see here in some of my embellishments, there's one that's sewing or embroidery, there's paint, there's even a record player, sewing thread, and then a little cabinet. So you're going to see lots of different crafts in this collection, unlike the other ones that have come before it that were just geared towards scrapbooking. So you'll start with 2 sheets of vanilla cardstock. This paper here called Create Beauty, which is the ledger, and then it has the flowers in the corner. So these papers are great because they do most of the work for you. The back is this kind of wonky brick type pattern with all of the different colors. So you can see here the color scheme, and that you could do any kind of photos with this collection. This paper called So Artsy, which is a beautiful floral on that green. And the back is that coral pink design that looks like stitching. This one called Say What, which is a floral on the yellow. And the back are these letter boards that have all of the crafty sayings on them. Just one more sticker, do what you love, I like big stamps and I cannot lie. So these could be cut apart and used as embellishments on your pages, used as your titles. Really cute collection here. For your embellishments, you're going to receive one doily. You're going to receive one of the 4x6 sticker sheets. So these will vary, but mine has different word labels and then this bigger piece that has a phrase on it. You're going to receive some enamel shapes, so those will vary as well, but I have some hearts in the turquoisey blue. And then a 1/6 pack of the ephemera pieces. So they will vary as well. But again, you're going to see lots of different types of crafts, some icons like flowers and little hearts, different things like that. So you're going to have a lot of fun with this collection. So that is Hey Crafty Girl from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. And then check out some of these other videos listed here to check out the other kits available that will coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. Come on over to the Facebook group and the blog to see what the design team's creating with their kits as well as your fellow subscribers. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.